Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. My name is Mike and I'm a vlogger. So if you're not a subscriber to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. I want to give a big shout out to my father, Alex Kovalchuk. Dad, thank you very much for allowing me to use your Mustang for the Epic Mustang video and for the other videos that we will be making. Your baby is in good hands. I hope your business trip is going well overseas. See you here soon. Thanks, Dad. I hope everyone's having a great day today. Today is day 3 of shooting the Epic Mustang video. So we finished the shots yesterday, late last night. We realized that we definitely need more shots during the day, and we're gonna try to finish up all the scenes or all the shooting today. So I'm waiting for Sam right now to pull up. We're gonna get another truck and hit the downtown and some Blue Ridge shots to finish off the shooting for the Epic Mustang video. Now to the gas station. Let's roll. What's up, dudes? You guys are excited?
Oh, man. Yeah, bro. We're going.
Yeah. Next truck. There we go. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's turn this bad boy into sport mode. That way we got sport and sport. I can pedal shift. Beautiful today. This out. The guy's holding him by the foot. He's filming. Check it out. Going into the mountains now, so looks like it's working out pretty good. It's gonna be sick shot for sure. This is Asheville downtown, and
it's Asheville downtown right there. We got a nice sunset view.
Once again, guys, don't miss this Epic Mustang supercharged video. It's gonna be
That's right.
Tutti frutti, portabella, magnifico. Excellent. So we finished our filming for today. Heading back to Alta Kiko. It was great. It was awesome. Go ahead. No. So we still need to get a drone shot, and we didn't. We couldn't find a good place to get a drone shot. So it looks like we might have to just wait another day to get that, but we got a lot of footage, awesome footage, good footage. It's awesome. Hello, Mark. What do you have here for me?
Hello. It's from Mark Kuznetsov Engineering Company. Shift knob in progress.
Oh, is it?
About $400 worth of work already.
I see. Let me see. That just looks like a piece of aluminum.
Well, we're prototyping here.
Oh, okay. I see. So we're gonna go through the drawings and make sure that everything is correct. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. It makes sense. So, okay, Mark, let's go over this real quick. So this is the idea that we were looking at. Looks like we'll have to call Mr. Roman and see what he was thinking. And we need to also get the thread, huh? Make sure that the thread is right. So basically, you think I want it like a full grip instead of smaller?
That's what I'd say.
Hold it like, you know, it makes sense.
I mean, unless your wife's gonna drive.
No, my wife doesn't drive stick.
Well, then you're gonna need a bigger shifter.
So, I don't know. I think it makes sense to make it longer. And what is it right now? Like 3? It's supposed to be like 2 something, right? Oh, this is like almost 4 inches.
Yeah, it's pretty.
What do you think, Mark? You think should we do this? Mm-hmm. What do you guys think? Should we just make it a full thing? full hand grip, I think it should be kind of cool. Can you engrave my fingers like in there so it can like match my hand completely?
It's another $400.
And I want my thumb to be molded in so I can kind of like lay it there and it feels like it's in place.
And we'll heat it up. You can grab it.
Heat it up and put my hand on it. Put a full print in there. No, I mean, this is. I think it might be even a better idea, Mark, to make it come on full hand because it feels comfortable.
The 3 fingers.
I want 4, and I want the 3 fingers.
My gosh, this is gonna be a. You can sell this bad boy for like $6 grand when I'm done with it.
This is not as easy as.
I'm not gonna put angles in it. I'm gonna go counter bores all the way down.
Why? You think you should put an angle in there?
No, just enough to clear it, and then it'll bottom out on the thread.
You think so?
Yeah, I mean, unless you want me to spend this much more time on it.
Well,
you think I have all this free time? I'm a very busy man here. We've got like 20 of these things to make. All right, I need a. How does it feel?
maybe we should just go with the original size. I mean, just the thickness wise could be a little bigger. Because original is gonna be like this. That's the Nismo size. This right here, I mean, you're looking at that's a big shifter. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I need you really to comment on this. Mark, not you. Mark's gonna get on and comment. I'm talking about. I need you guys really to comment on this.
I like the simple design.
Yeah, simple prototype. You trying to put this thing on.
I like that one.
But I don't know if it's too long or not now, because I mean it kind of looks like it might be too long. What do you think?
You know what?
What?
Why don't I just make it long? If you want,
we can always
just cut it down on the top.
What if you just? Why don't you just? Yeah, let's just do that. Make it long. We can cut off on top and see how that's gonna work. Okay, so that's where we're at with the shift knob right now. But you know, it's a work in progress. And I really give a shout out to Mark here. Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome, bro.
You're the man, bro.
I think I'll get it done.
No, I'm just so thinking you'll get it done. All right.
I'll try my best.
All right. Okay, we're gonna continue measuring it out, but guys, literally, like, I mean, not literally, seriously, guys, please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. So, as always, thank you for watching my vlog. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. Mark, say bye.
Bye, folks.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.